Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to dust a computer using an electric duster. So let's get started. Alright, so what I have here is a DataVac electric duster. So the power buttons where my thumb is. They come with a couple attachments, but I didn't use any of them today. Basically just turn it on and go at it. So you see how the dust is flying out of the box. And when you blow at the fans, the blades will start spinning. Some people say it's better not to let it spin like that because they may create a bad voltage that may damage something. But from my experience, you really don't have to worry about it. So just point it at everywhere. Just try to clean everything out. It's very satisfying looking at the dust just gushing out in a cloud. It's very funny. Especially look at the power supply. The thing just come out. It's very satisfying to watch. But the dust has that very strange smell to it. So definitely try not to breathe it in. Put a shirt over your face or something and just blow it everywhere, especially where the ports are in the back of the computer. The dust can really accumulate in those places, affecting the performance. When you plug things in, it may block the contact, which will give you problems. So definitely those are where you want to clean. Now just check out your work. This one's well done, so let's move on to the next one. Alright, here's the next one. Let me put down the camera just to open up. Okay, so it's very dusty, and as you can see, the dust is everywhere. These guys haven't been cleaned for years. Alright, so let's turn it on, and boom, more dust are coming out. You can see that there are these little bigger pieces that just come tumble inside the case. You do want to pay attention to them and make sure they all fly out of the case. It's just the same idea, just keep blowing everywhere and don't breathe it. In this video, I actually try to stick the head into the blade so stop it from running. So that's one option that you can do if you worry about the spinning blades. But you cannot do that with the power supply, so I don't think it's such a big deal. Give it a little extra cleaning for the outside of the case. I have about 5 to 10 of these computers that I have to clean for today, so have some fun doing it, and also have some fun taking this video and okay, just a little touch up, and now just admire your work. Alright, good job, well done. Let's move on. check out the filter at the bottom of the duster, and make sure you kind of rub it off and keep it clean, so that keep your airflow up and cleaning the stuff. Alright, that's it for today's computer dusting video. So if you're interested in the duster that I'm using here, I'll post the link below. Thank you for watching.